area. Friendly UAV.
Into the fuel depot to our north. All stations, Coney's mounting up to re-attack. Let's bury him.
This is Coney's foothold in Urzikstan. Wipe it off the map.
Maksaya sa bala tong ginagawa ko.
LT.
An impeccable bronze, Johnny.
Tan lines around the eyes.
Naturally.
They're searching for you.
You need to take down the HVI sergeant. Get after it. Enemy holds the lead. Clock sticking.
High up the Coney food chain.
Copy. How do we extract?
2 heads up for hostiles coming your way.
Мы зачистили этот зал. Здесь никого нет.
Spot damage, boss.
He's heavily armored. Take him.
Dreams come true.
Keep him close. All stations, we have Macker over moving to the extract.
Roger that, John. They'll fight to get him back.
We're counting on it.
Right, take him left. Push them back.
Hostile UAV in the area.
What's your plan?
Jailbait. For
Di ako maka-open ng map sa akin eh. Ikaw na mag-navigate siguro muna.
Heads down. Move to secure. Hold on the ambulance. Open. Hands! Hands! Close your look!
You're close. Watch it, they see you.
Enemy taking Bravo. Enemy. There's a vehicle parked outside. Worth a search around.
I'll take a look.
Ako yan eh.
hindi akin yan.
Yung number 3. Sino ba yung number 3? Kita ako.
Tako.
Malay ko, naka-auto.
Paano maglagay ng purple ping?
Enemy UAV active. Kill confirmed.
Para sure, ano. Choice ko pa. Yung sugal kasi, hindi mo choice yun eh. Random din eh.
Gusto ko nga.
Sabo sa weapon, pwede rin armor.
Deluxe storage crate. Teka.
Baka napili na kayo kaya hindi nyo na...
Objective Bravo is back.
Parang hindi gear crate eh. Okay, the next is medyo malayo. Mas marami sa building sa kanan. Teka. Yung second drift anchor.
Pressing up.
I see you. Still plenty more patrols ahead.
Enemy spotted on the cargo ship.
Facility.
Pag nilapitan.
Oh, yung mga mission. Secure maintenance. Occasion takes the shape of okay.
Baka tinker o
Ayun,
ship sniper.
Wait lang, random ba yan? Ba't ganun?
Random to.
Enemy UAV online.
Multiple movement spotted.
We've lost the lead.
Saan ba yan? Nakamark na sa map.
You're incoming. I got him.
Wala. May ATP item ba kayo?
Hindi, makakatipi ka talaga dito.
Ha?
Nagtipi lang
Event
ako sa area. Nasa right sa east
pala
coast.
yun.
Try mo, baka makatipi.
Nag-draw seryoso muna tayo.
Nalala mo Dorito yung ano, yung Ba't lang tayo.
Si Taco wala pa, no?
O, loading usual.
Ah, sige.
Safety D-boy.
Boys, Captain Price. At your service.
I need half of your men with my lieutenant. The rest.
Find the red wire. Red only. Some said we cut together on 3, copy? Roger, on 3.
1, 2, 3.
That's what we're in.
Copy. Find that buyer and get that drive, John.
Team 1, push downstairs with us.
Copy.
Contact!
Okay na, may gear crate dito.
Okay, punta ka dyan. Teka, saan ka ba?
Ito, pinakababa.
Lalim ba?
Sakit. Shit.
Oh, putik, marami pala to.
Look, well, part of your plan includes rotting in a prison.
Show the way through, Sergeant.
Let's move.
I bestow my
Rest to the northeast, crew. Coney's maneuver near the comms tower.
Gunner, get eyes on.
Meron uric acid.
Naka-upgrade na ako ng motor eh.
Ang sakit.
Naririnig mo yung baril ko.
Hindi. Hindi nasisira yung bintana dito.
Hindi nga eh. Ano, meron ba? Wala.
I deploy with Farah. Soap and Ghost take the dam. Rog.
Nick will provide transport. I'll put a predator up for eyes.
Don't get compromised. We won't, sir.
Keep your guard up.
Okay. Ano yun? Aquabel. What pang Aquabel?
Friendly mosquito deployed.
Taking effective fire!
target area.
Buy now. Pay later.
Vladimir Makarov is EKIA.
Copy that. Chemical rendered safe. Pushing out of the hangar now.
Graves, once ground is clear, have your man drop a missile on that hangar.
Tara, labas na tayo. Yung isang Rift Anchor, activate natin. Mystical, wala pa.
Ito, hindi mo kinukuha yung mga...
Ay, ito. Shock, Rampage, all weapons, blah blah blah, dealing power surge.
Good check. Good work, Bravo.
Rog, get ready to move, Soap.
Keep a low profile. We lose her, we lose Makarov.
Solid copy.
Comforting.
Or,
Oo. Medyo late game pa yan ang item.
save ko na lang muna to.
Tabi mo lang. Tabi mo lang. Pinamain.
Ito, bumili ka.
Comforting.
There. Get him, Bravo.
6 to watch, your drone is up. You should have visual.
Eyes on, John.
Got multiple Coney troops on the roof of the north building. No sign.
Good check. Good work, Bravo.
Rog, get ready to move, Soap.
Keep a low profile. We lose her, we lose Makarov.
Solid copy.
You know what to do, man. Hit him with a missile. Allow me some quick trigger.
Graves, enemy vehicles incoming.
Putek na yan. May suicide bomber sa likod ko.
Sige, punta na kami dyan. Saan ba?
Dati ito eh. Ito, sa akin.
Ayun, dulo.
Moving upstairs.
stations inside the bunker.
Copy. Access the...
Heads up for hostiles coming your way.
Changing mag! Contact! Hey! Wolf!
Taking Charlie. Enemies taking Alpha. Hostile cluster mine detected. Tornado deployed. We're losing Alpha.
Yan,
Okay na. Pwede
Hit,
na.
pwede na, hit na.
Tuwasan nyo na yung pot.
Copy that.
You won't die here. Fire! Target down. Tornado! Loading.
Shadow overhead.
You told me to put Graves on a leash, and that's what I'm gonna do.
Keep it real short, General.
You really do want to win.
You're damn right I do.
Oh, 2.21? 2 kilo?
Oh,
Laki na na.
Makarel.
Hindi mahari na symbol. May crown.
bahay na putol, ano yun? Alien.
Sabi nila, pag sa dulo daw, kumari, nag-bite na.
Oo.
Hintayin nyo daw. Ayun, nakuha ko!
Pero dyan ako.
Find the wind turbine. Summon.
Incoming! Uncle Macro, clear him out! Contact rear!
Coney spotted ahead.
They don't see us. Let's keep it that way, huh? They're assembling.
Hanap nga ako ng beaver sa... Baka pwede na akong gumawa ng level. Ano, tier 3 ba yung sa'yo? Tier 4?
Yung ano.
Yung barrel mo?
Gold siya, basta gold.
Teka.
One shot eh.
Nice.
Tornado! Tornado! Fire!
Кто-нибудь видит цель? Противник был здесь. Твою мать! Я нашел! Тут враги! Иду в атаку!
Ako ng AR.
Armor crate na lang need ko eh.
Time for you to meet some friends of mine.
Oh, what are they?
Close.
So are mine.
Keep walking. You should know when you've lost.
Usually pag umuulan, taas ang chance. Kahit walang event, basta umuulan.
Il na siguro to kasi walang kumakagat eh. Yung oriente na ng il.
Tapos na yung event.
Wala na.
Pag kilinik mo to, lumalabas siya eh. Ay no. Ano kaya ito kunin?
Kunin ko lang itong nasa taas.
We're taking Bravo.
Wala talaga akong swerte sa RNG eh.
Nakita ko yung kumagat kay Dorito isda eh.
Abulin ng ligo.
Nabuhin ng ligo.
Wala talaga ako.
Pag nilapitan.
Oh, yung mga mission. Secure maintenance. Packaging protects the shape of okay.
Klase ng ano eh, generator. Deviant
Hindi pa
yun.
ako makagawa ng generator kasi kailangan ng aluminum. Wala pa kaming aluminum.
Kahit ano lang, solar panel.
Storage battery.
Makarov has to be close. Alright, destroy.
Ito naman ako.
Saan na yung pamingwit ko? Yun. Fishing rod.
Ah, dito. Yung sa first level. Sige.
Sinesend ko yun sa GC.
Bubukas.
Prepare.
Oh, may SOS na dun, no? Nakikita ko.
Ano yan?
Sayonara na down.
Muna ako ng copper.
Usa ako bigla nandito sa tabi ko.
Aliato.
They're using grenades.
Enemies taking Bravo. We're taking Charlie. We've lost Bravo. Charlie secure.
Ay, animal statue. Ano to?
Ano, balik tayo muna. Magbigat na bag ko.
Sige. TP muna tayo.
TP tayo. Next natin.
TP.
Ano ba next natin?
Area. Q confirmed.
Bastards hiding.